Hi, welcome to my unboxing of Phanteks extension cables combo. I got this from Softbox Solutions. I bought it from Shopee. So here it is. Okay. Kunin muna ang blade. Medyo mapurol. Super secure packaging we have here. So I'm really excited to open this kasi sobrang luma yung PSU cables and they have ketchup and mustard colors, so I have to buy this stuff. I got the idea from a friend who's working on another friend's PC. So we have here the extension cable combo. We have the 24 pin for the motherboard, 8 pin as well. We have the PCI-E cable and a great color combination, black gray. We also have here the comms, cable comms. Okay, buksan na natin. Medyo matibay ang packaging. Yun. So as you can see, yung material niya is very good. I think it's nylon. Here, that's 24 pin. We have here the 24 pin extension cable. Buksan na natin siya. Medyo maigpit ang pagkaka-tape, which is good for making it secure for shipping purposes, I guess. Ayan. Yeah, the material is very good, very slick, great color combination, and the material is nylon. There, you can use a cable combs to secure it as well. There. Next up we have here. It's the, let me just close this one. It's the I guess 8 pin. Oh no, the 4x4 4+4 8 pin cable for motherboard. Yan. Same material, of course. A very good material. Mukha talaga matibay. Ayan. Zoom in na yan para sa inyo. Next, we have the PCI-E. By the way, we have two PCI-E cables here. And nylon mesh material. Nylon sleeve, which really protects the cables, the wires. Last piece, we have again another PCIe cable extension. There, same good material we have. All right. Okay, zoom out ko lang. compare the two. Last, we have the cable combs. Ayan. I would prefer to have it like black or gray, but you know, not complaining. Hopefully this is very durable. Sana. Though it's transparent. I guess Phanteks is a good brand naman. So I won't have any problem with when it comes to durability. So there. The small ones for the 4 strings of cable. There you go. The 3 slots, 3 plus 3, those are for PCIEs. There, the biggest one, we have 2 for 24 pin. Oops! Laglag. Wait. Pulutin lang natin. Yes. Again, ang ganda ng material niya. So if you have the budget to spare, I suggest you buy a cable extension, especially if you have a setup of ketchup and mustard cables coming from your PSUs. This would really improve the look of your setup. So there, ayan, maganda material. It's not paracord, but it's a basic nylon, but it's very good. So there you have it, my very first unboxing video. I hope you like this video, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Have a good one. Thanks.